Welcome to Fun with Flags. In this episode I will show you how to do a picture lookup in Excel. So let's start. First I will select country from the list of countries that I have in column A. And then I would like to see here flag of that country. So to do that I will copy one picture, paste it here, and now this picture I can refer to one of the cells. So for example B4 to show me flag of Algeria, which is in B4. Now I would like to change this to automatically show the flag of the country that is here. So for that I will use function match to find this country in H4. I will add absolute reference here, find it within the range where I have list of countries. Again, I will put here absolute reference, and I want exact match, so I will add 0. So India is in row 80. Now just to get cell where is a flag, I will use index function, select both columns A and B, all the rows, put here absolute reference again, and now I want result from column B, so it's the second column of this range. Now it's showing 0 because there is nothing behind that picture in column B, but I will take this formula, go to name manager and add new name where I will paste this formula, and I will name it, for example, flag. And now instead of referring to B4, I will put flag. And now it will show me exactly the flag of the country that I will select. And that's it. Hope you like it.